Hello, this is my 27th lecture on integral calculus. I am Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will discuss about the volume and surface area of the solid of revolution. So volume can be calculated as v is equal to pi into y square into dx, and the limit for x is a to b, or when the y is equal to fx, if the function is x is equal to fi form, then volume will be pi x square into dy. The limit for y is alpha to beta. Now the surface area can be written as 2 pi y into ds. The limit for s is a to b, and 2 pi another one is 2 pi x into dx. The limit is from 2 pi y into ds, and another one is 2 pi x into dy. The limits are so we are taking some examples here. Then example 1, the intercept of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 between the axis of coordinate of revolution of about the y-axis, revolution about y-axis. Find the area of the surface generated. So area is equal to, here in this case, 2 pi x into ds, 2 pi x into dx, where ds is equal to dx square plus dy square, which can be written as ds by dy the whole square plus is equal to dx by dy the whole square plus 1. So converting it into the x form, we can write it as differentiating with respect to y. Here see, differentiating with respect to y. So 1 by a dx by dy plus 1 by b is equal to 0, and so on, so that we can get ds is equal to root of a square plus b square by b into dy. Now we want only the surface area. Put the formula, that is s is equal to 2 pi x into ds, where ds is in the form a square plus b square by b into dy. Now integrating it and putting the limit, we will get the value as we can see here. The value of y, the limit of y will be from 0 to b. In the x-axis, the limit of y is from 0 to b. So we find, we integrate it, and then after dy remains, and after then again integrating y with respect to y, we get the result as we can see. Now the example 2, find the volume and surface area of a solid of a sphere of radius a. So you can see the picture as given. The sphere is formed by the revolution of upper half of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square about the x-axis. Then the volume V can be B of the sphere so generated is given by pi y square into dx. The limit of x will be from minus a to plus a. Now transforming y square in the form a square minus x square and dx, putting the limit, we can get the value of the volume. Now S, the required surface area, which is in the form S is equal to 2 pi y into ds. The limit for it is minus a to a. The equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. From this we can get ds by dx as a by root of a square minus x square into dx, and putting these values we can get the value of surface area. Now find the volume of the surface area of the solid formed by the revolution of the ellipse x square plus a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 about x-axis. Again v is equal to pi y square dx, converting y square into x square and then integrating a to over the limit minus a to a, we get the value of the volume. And s is equal to 2 pi y into ds. Again finding the value of dx and putting its limit, we get the value of required value. So now another two examples are given. They are very similar to the previous one. Then try them at home. And now I will explain the example 9. In the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta revolves about the initial line. Find the surface area of the volume of the figure formed. The curve is symmetrical about the initial line. As we can see, the solid of revolution may be considered to be formed by the revolving the upper half of the curve about the initial line. The extreme point of the curve is given by theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to pi. Now putting x is equal y is equal to r sin theta and x is equal to r cos theta, we can get pi y square dx, we get the value. Now the limits of theta is from pi to 0 because x increases as the value of theta decreases from pi to 0. So after integrating and then we are not integrating it, now we are again putting some value to integrate it easily. Now put cos theta is equal to u or sin theta d theta is equal to du, and theta is equal to pi, that means u is equal to minus 1, and theta is equal to 0, that means u is equal to 1. Now putting the limit and integrating it, we get the required volume. Now the surface area, we have to integrate 2 pi y into ds. ds can be calculated as you can see, and then putting the limit and integrating it over the limit 0 to pi, we can, and again we put cos theta by 2 is equal to u, and then we get minus sin theta by u, half d theta is equal to du, we will get the required result. Now today this much only. Thank you.